Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's Craft with Teas Technique Tuesday, drum roll, is going to be Simon Hurley's new sprays. So I already have a black paper and white. These are both foundation papers, and I've already taken the backs off and shaken them up. So we're just going to spray. And just like the other like mica sprays and spritz, you can see where the mica or the color settles. And once I shake it up, I'm going to spray like a little circle on both sides, and then we're going to label the colors. And basically what we're doing is swatching them, right? So you can make a swatch just this crude, just doing some sprays just right on, just a little piece of cardstock. You can create a nice swatch book, however you want to do it. But it's always important to test them because you want to see what they're going to do, and how they're going to react with different mediums, right? Or different, I guess we would say, paper products. So I know that both of these are for mixed media, which is what I like to use. And so that's why I'm using it on the black and the white of the same style paper. So I can see what it looks like if I wanted to use the darker paper, which is really what these inks are made for. That's why they're called solar sprays. They go with like there's his solar paste. They show up better on the darker colors than the light colors. It doesn't mean don't use it on white or light colors. I think you still should, only because it's sort of like a hidden product, right? So you can see there's some spray there as you're looking straight down, on the white side, but obviously it's vibrant and very eye-catching on the dark paper side. And I just love how these colors look. Now, you might say, like I was sort of explaining, why would you use it on the white? I like to use it on the white when I want something more subtle. So maybe you're not looking to have these very vibrant blues, but you love the color of the blue, then you may want to do it on a white background. So that way it's not something that you see right away. Like you don't really see the blue until you kind of tilt it to the side, or, you look at it from a different angle. It's there, but it's not like in your face. And sometimes that's what you want, It all depends on what kind of a feel you're trying to create on your layout or your card. So the last one, we got 6 colors with this first release. And they are basically like your standard colors, right? You got your blue, a pink, the yellow, which is more like a gold, green, red, and a purple. So a nice little rainbow. I love how these are there, and you know what? And it doesn't really fade back. I'm gonna heat these up with the heat tool because they are kind of wet. And even after drying them, I mean, the color is just spectacular. On the black, it is gorgeous. I'm looking at my tester paper right now. And each of these, obviously there's the concentration area of the color, but around it, they all have like a halo of splatter. It's really pretty. And then, like I said, on the white, like looking straight down, you can see a little hint of color, but it's very mild, it's very light. It's sort of like a watermark, right? And then when you tilt it, it's like, oh, there's the color, there's the shimmer, there's the, what you were looking for. And I just think you guys, you're going to love these sprays. If you did not get the Simon Hurley sprays, don't walk, run, and go get them. I got mine at my little scrapbook store. And I will try, well, not try. I will have links down below to them because I know this is a newer product. You guys, I mean, these are just as good as the spritz from Tim Holtz. Maybe even a little bit more eye-catching because of the type of, I think, the spray that he uses in the solar spray. The what's the word I'm looking for? Because it's not really mica, but it's mica. It's like mica. You know what I mean? So I don't think you would be disappointed if you get this. So right now, I'm trying to tilt it up a little bit. See how you got the shine? I'm going to hold it up in 1 second. So those are the halos I was telling you about. You see how they have that nice halo around? I mean, I think you can get some really nice effects with these. Effects, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. So you see it, and then you tilt it, and that's where the shine comes in. But straight on, you don't see it. It looks very much just like a flat, somewhat color, subtle color. And then as soon as you tilt it, it's like, bam. Hello. There's the purple. There's Royal Flush. And then the red one is Overheated. Their names are so cute. I love it. So, thank you for joining me today. Definitely join me, if not tomorrow. I hope to have a project either Friday. Yeah, by Friday, no later than Friday. Using this product to show you guys, how it'll look on a final project. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great day.